There are mainly two types of cells. These are prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. These were termed as prokaryote and eukaryote by Chatin. Edouard Chatin was a French biologist who first characterized the difference between these cells. The cells are classified depending upon the nature of nucleus. To understand these two types better, let's take a look at them comparatively. The prokaryotes show a single cell membrane, while eukaryotes show a double membrane system. The cell wall in prokaryotes surrounds the plasma membrane, while in eukaryotes the cell wall surrounds the plasma membrane in some protists, fungi, and all plant cells, while the animal cells lacks it. The cell wall of prokaryotes is composed of peptidoglycans, and its membrane bears respiratory enzymes. On the other hand, eukaryotes have their cell wall made up of polysaccharides, and their membrane lacks any respiratory enzymes. While the cytoplasm of prokaryotes lack organelles, the eukaryotes show presence of various organelles. The cytoplasm of prokaryotes have only 70S ribosomes, and it does not show any streaming movements. While the cytoplasm of eukaryotes have both 70S and 80S ribosomes, and these also show streaming movements. Nuclear material in prokaryotes is not enclosed by a nuclear envelope, and lies directly in cytoplasm. It is called as nucleoid. While in eukaryotes, the nuclear material is enveloped by nuclear envelope, and the nucleus is distinct from cytoplasm. The prokaryotes mostly shows amitotic division, and the eukaryotes show typical mitotic division. The prokaryotes show presence of circular DNA, which is not associated with histone proteins, while the eukaryotes have a linear nuclear DNA, which is associated with histone proteins. Due to its primitive nature, the prokaryotes do not show sexual reproduction, while on the other hand, due to its well-organized and highly developed structure, the eukaryotes show sexual reproduction. Other than prokaryotes and eukaryotes, there is one more type of cell, that is the mesokaryotic cell. This term was used by Dodge for dinoflagellates. These cells have intermediate type of cell organization. In mesokaryotic cells, there is present a eukaryotic nucleus, with definite nuclear membrane and chromosomes.